Watch out. Trouble a come. Nick they come with one bus of trouble. School the holiday, Lord Jesus. People don't watch ya. Watch out, watch out, watch out. The place where I can host and host time I reckon, you know. The little piece of storm left them a come shelly, you know. Alright. Watch. I go see them I go come in. Roadside. The place done now. The place red now.
4 bags.
You carry 4 bags. Box cover but in here. Look at saying come for him. Mama say enough things we have. You come with money. Weird. Oh, go and squad it. I can do that.
I got much left here.
Mama saying come with 4 bags.
Yes.
So you no plan for going back, Lisha?
No.
Yeah, they will slap this school this holiday. So how about you much bag of car?
2. My school bag with enough clothes in it.
So hold on, if you carry a school bag, that means you no plan to go back to school up.
Look, Lily. With clothes in there.
How much bag you carry, Roger?
2.
1 car 4, 1 car 2, and 1 car 3.
2. Before we can kill me and Jay, we should have 4. Me tired.
Dead now.
Oh, yan them how much? Yan them no well left
What of mercy? You say I go.
so much right now.
We are off to the shop. Me and the 3 little chipmunks. Lisha, Roger, and Sia. So we are go to Lotto shop. Luckily if me see Lotto and Chrissy are out there. So then maybe make them spend a 5 minutes with Chrissy. But if not, we're gonna come back home. So we are walk a shortcut. We're going through this little shortcut right here. Alright, we reach out a Lotto. This is Chrissy. I say hi.
Hi.
That's Chrissy. Young Lotto. On the block. So we are chill out around here so for a little while. So they have a nice little playground around here. Then can play. You see them something here now, look on the big playground. Big playground. You see where Lisha play. In my ear. I wonder if she thinks I'm ear a dolly. She come over here with about 12 dollies. Some of them not have no hand, some not have no foot. Massa. Yeah. Some of them not have no clothes. And some of them decent. She just carry all of the dolly them. You can't believe me saying not even 20 minutes of chilling good and the pitney them say them hungry. I carry them up back. I carry them up in a yard again. Guess what? The pitney them can yam but say they hungry. But say they hungry. Alright. Here the Roger but I never went eat nothing before me come here now. Gina, right around the clock they eat. I used to before I left up a yard. Roger lie down and eat 1 plate of pistachio. All kind of something. So
A pistachio.
they eat like white fall. So I carry them back up a yard. We'll give them some food. Here. Felicia, oh, your slippers touch. Turn on the fan.
Wow.
I don't know.
I'm hungry and thirsty.
You're hungry and thirsty.
I'm tired. I'm here first.
You first hungry.
I'm here first thirsty.
Alright, you first say you're hungry.
And then me say me thirsty. And then I just say thirsty. Me hungry and thirsty. They on speed.
Wait, what? Who's she talking to? 2 minutes late. Tiny human.
You know, see Alicia first I go home. He start mash down my decent house with my kitchen. And Nick build a little kitchen here. As she come here, what kind of piece of kitchen this? See, I say, she want oats porridge. Me I go make some oats porridge to see, I know, here Alicia come out.
Lisa,
Oi,
you have crackers?
what you want crackers to do?
They put in a porridge.
They still they eat the food, but they want porridge. 24 minutes after 5. Just give them food. They sit down with the plate of food in there, so still see and not eat. So she said she want porridge. So Alicia want porridge too. Roger want porridge too. Alicia want cream crackers for going to clear porridge. Me dear.
How far is this mark?
Roger, hot, you have to cool you, yeah?
Not too far, low key. I mean, I'm walking to it, so. Oh,
Okay, Alicia.
yes.
See how you are right now?
Oh. Getting out of hand. So many.
Hi guys.
Let's take prompt. I swear I just saw you. Oh my god. This place is always bad. Sorry about that.
Guys,
You normal? Yeah.
this
Okay.
is like
Sir, where are your eyeballs? Sir, why'd you do that on the ramen? Keep the change, thank you. Sorry about that, gonna have to refuse. You did something weird on the ramen. Oh my god, we have another space. Shoes are everywhere. How you doing, sir? Great, ma'am. Whatever. Long night on? Yeah, long night on.
over my mommy's house.
It's not necessarily
And
like
she-
bad that they're running.
her
They low-key are just
auntie
speedrunning, but like it
I
is
have my
weird,
little
building it, yeah.
boy cousin here too, but he's over there drinking porridge. So I hope you subscribe to Talk of TV 1.
That's kind of satisfying. That is low-key satisfying. I'm not even gonna lie.
And
By the time
after
I do, I'm asleep
Shayna,
at the shift.
we are going to make some weird stuff.
Alright.
And that's it.
Weird. It's getting weird, but we're low-key dialed. I know. This isn't wrong. That's wrong. I just farted. Okay, thanks. Dude, TikTok comments. You never know what you're gonna get in the TikTok comments. Leave a comment right now. Just saying anything. Anything at all. Just leave a comment. Scary Facts number 23. 2019. Walking around New York with very futuristic technology. Easy to walk around with purpose and direct with very specific.
What make holiday come fast? Why you think holiday comes so fast? Yes, because I don't test. Anyways, subscribe to Talk of TV 1 and then go echo on part 3.
Interesting.
Shayna,
Interesting.
hold on. Boy. It's a willing day, and now everything's like.
That would be so.
Anyways, my two little cousins are down the plan level, and my auntie's up there, and my mom is up there, and my cousin, or should I say brother, is up there. He's an auntie. So carry on, because I'm watching a movie and I can't talk to you right now.
12 minutes after 7. I don't want popcorn. Not that you don't have no butter, me notice. So 3 and right. 3 and go share popcorn. Have 1 more popcorn. So 3 and share that. No, I hear no nice. No quarrel. 3 and share. 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 3 good thing you're not supposed to want something to drink. You know, I'm not going to say water and you want to drink, so I'm going to drink water too. Why, you not drink water? You not drink water?
I drink water.
I mean,
I drink water sometimes.
Drink said water good for you.
No, can water and milk. Milk for your fridge.
You want to go out to eat after that? You get food, you get porridge. Plus you eat different little drink. You know drink ensure here. You want to ensure? Alicia. But I don't know what you want it. I don't know you want it up there.
Not no. It's just like heaven. Heaven is just now, yeah.
Let me taste it. No, I feel Arias. Oh.
This is actually a star. Look up on Roadside. Mom! Hi guys, we are eating popcorn. Popcorn, what? If I don't go and fire, the fire and you don't go.
You like when I know it's something that never time for me to fun. So it's fly out.
The fire is jump in the air. The camera lock off. Camera ruin.
That is
Guys gone. Guys gone. Guys gone. Listen, baby.
I'm still out here talking and not eating of it. That guy that can't eat, you know, I know that the guy that eat food. See, I went down there where eat his food.
Who?
Barbie, Dolly, we can't maybe them.
Tiki, Papi Mo, Papa Fin Head. Oh, shit. See them? Tia Papi will them and Kiki, but you never to class with Tia. I'm going to put the part which part is Tia, then tie up on your head. And I'm going to put the part which part is Tia tight on the head and the head go pop out.
You know, you're not going to care about that corner, no?
No, let me tell you. It's Dolly tape up just because you and Kiki there pull it Dolly till it does pop out. Me buy me have to tape you up. Me buy tape, me buy tape and they wrap you on the Dolly and they wrap you and Kiki they pull it because Kiki does the better and they say you know put your mouth right now just to tape. And you go pull it and pop off you. I told you pull it Dolly. But me now put it on Dolly right now.
If you're feeding me, eat, drink, pee, and do this, let me mash it.
How do you do this? I told them they pull Dolly. Me they pull me bite teeth. Me now yeah.
You see that one there? You know, I'm going to carry it over. You know?
You can put it to go over yard. And the head back long. Listen.
Feel head back longer than feel.
Me. My head bigger than
Are you craving? You're damn craving.
Not there. Because in a house. the flat one.
Where you say?
And at night time, when we go to there, we go to water to go bed. Enough toy daddy I jump. I'm trying to stay to my guys, my belly full. Gosh man right now, carry them.
You know, if we wait so till late for go bed, you go always sit told when you out of your yard. You come clean up back the place, you know? Alright. Somebody come mag up on the plate and somebody come mag up on the broom. Oh, look how clean up. Oh, no wash your hand and come.
I'm mag up on the room.
Brad, no.
They go lock out.
Wanna just say?
Ready for entry.
After just eat the popcorn,
If you and them still in my mouth.
my blouse and skirt so water can wash it out. Hear me?
Entry, can wash it out. I do.
Yes, a popcorn, but we not pop no more popcorn yet. No, because it's in a one different bag. Later, so that popcorn.
Goblin carrier. Say goblin carrier.
I'm putting it easy, you know. So then go. You know, so I'm going to send you on a bed for now, that's on the top eat. And that me have to go do? Send you on a bed for early, that's on the not eat.
Not so early. When you go shop and come back. I say, oh, mommy. Oh, no. I never got me need wash it. Oh, this. At least we did wash it. Guys, look at the parrot smiley ball. Squishy. And I saw a lot of art. Guys, look at one. Take this. It's just nice. Guys, look at
Come. Eat.
Thanks.
Elisha.
Thanks.
Roger, I don't want to come root up my face and I'm going to bust up your head.
It wasn't the end.
This is going to come to my group too.
You got people bless me. I tell like how me turn over here.
You're not like how you turn over your yard and a behavior they got. Remember say one bin in a bathroom and look small when you can just drop it empty. Where you are look for now, Brady?
The juice.
Juice.
When we go for grandma, I have to stay at one place. Me can't run up and down every minute.
But you no more, no stop
Really?
move.
Remember when we did a play hide and seek over grandma? Oh, that's open.
Give me ensure me to open it for you because I'm not so open.
Open for them grandma.
You see bin in the bathroom, you go through all of the little them here.
Can't run up for grandma.
Don't throw nothing in there and set coming on and set me in there. You hear? You see if you don't make the insurance fill for me, Matt. And right now, I call Nick for carrying over. You know? Oh, you get up. You make sure you get up. Come, Roger. Any other spin don't insure for chewing nothing for me, Matt. At the same time, I'm so glad I know back them pack already, you know. And I make sure I don't unpack them. That means say, as you know, slip, no slide in our bus. Sit down and drink it insurance.
That's supposed to slide now. You eat nasty.
And you sting the plan for tea and biscuit. No.
Look for the lizard.
Outside in the pan mesh.
Charlie. Inside.
Outside in the no licking if you move. I try to pick them afraid. If me turn back on it, I outside like me go turn on, so I'm going to turn back. You know, if you turn back.
When are you coming up?
Yes.
Yeah. But me not afraid. Oh,
So I'm going to turn back too.
And me first turn back.
Please.
I shot window.
So me turn on it.
God forbid that.
No. The tree picking them so they're afraid.
I want bees suit that mess. God forbid.
Bees.
Yeah, wait.
I want a farming suit.
God forbid. Not bees suit.
So,
We think if you protect your from bees.
we are going to shop now. At night. They say they want the cream crackers biscuit. We find 2-pack, but a little bit in the 2-pack. 11 minutes after 8 now. And see, me and the tree, Little chipmunks. See them there? And they're afraid. And my flashlight me have to walk with. To give them little light. But me can't believe that it picked them afraid. If me ever turn my light, could they run.
No, Lily.
Me have to carry because me have video no go on. They're afraid you see people. Them a quarry. You don't have to run, you know. Watch out, me go prank them. Watch out now. Where you run go? Oh, you don't run, you know.
Afraid.
You don't have to afraid. You don't have to afraid. You don't say no prayers at night time.
Afraid of bullfrog.
But if time dry now, no bullfrog not there, so I'm afraid of them too.
Look, bullfrog over me. Me I walk, come on, me walk over there. Me I walk slow, but I do I feel so make it look like I walk fast. When me I go in me walk fast. When I go in me
I want to press like me. Let me see if we can change the mood on the first floor. One little. Let me get it out. It's a show around. Don't go down to the roadside, leave me now.
Don't go to the roadside.
Stop right there, son. Wait for me. You say nobody go down the roadside, leave me.
Lily.
You say you're fine? If one can't lick you tonight, I not see which part you drop. Come, cross the road now. Cross, like you don't have life. Why? Reach down on the road now. Yeah, go up in a scale. You don't know river, mama?
No, not that river. Oh, river is so good.
You know river, mama?
No, not river. No, man. What is that? What is that sorry? His son never see me friend. But his son see him for a phone. And then his father come back from foreign. And his son don't see him. His son has a ball see. I went to again. One bird. And then so if I come from friend in my US to go buy bullock, to go buy a bullock because we need a ball to do it. And then one woman when is it his father asked him, say
come over here.
And then his father tell me, woman, me money say, yeah, trust you. Woman, trust you. Anything I could buy in front.
Why are they prank about bullfrog?
No, he didn't actually do that.
So when go?
Right under my foot.
You dead?
No, the jump. One
Box
taxi away
cover.
kick over one bullfrog and Tiffany.
I know so them pick me and to walk on the road. Oh, me couldn't walk way over in the bush and soon go stop up all here. Black. Jesus, please. But you don't walk on the road. Me never say you to walk in the middle road. But you walk way over on some big stone. Wow, now sample. We want to drop asleep tonight. I can't wait for you to say 3 and drop asleep. Me say men.
Me?
If me not drop asleep, you for no.
Over here, I be wake up 12. No, not wake up. Me still up 12 something. Not even going to bed 12 something. If you want to jump over not even.
Roger, you know now where you come ask about shortcut.
No. You don't.
Oh, look, 3 are not afraid. The 3 are cannot afraid. What happened, Froggy?
Oh, sorry. I know,
The 3 are can't afraid. So hold on there. So if I try and all one and somebody back up, wanna go do?
What?
If I try and all one and somebody back up, wanna go do?
Keep them in our here.
Okay, so now run.
Me just stuck up one rock stone and just fling in at them belly. Nobody can look up. Let them go so. One time, Auntie said, "You're ready to go back home." Guys, we have to turn back. See like a cream crackers.
Tell them I go on Roger.
See like a Lisa Wawa cream crackers. We have to turn back. We did reach halfway and we have to turn back. See like a cream crackers. See like a Lisa.
One bag of grocery on my foot here, so and just because me never remember cream crackers, even though it is go by something bad, I have to turn back. Go buy the cream
So we come
crackers.
Sunday.
Just because this
You see me and a coffee son?
Just because this a girl that's from
Reggie, they're not ready. They talk about it then. So we coffee son the left. So we are.
Yeah, does. I know what it is. Sport.
Just go so. Just baby, just go so with us. If it's Nicky, see one night when I have to go close up his hand when you end up on the board. Sport mode. But I'm not
Boy, family, I'm going to try now.
a sport mode. On the move.
Man, you run and drop in a.
A sport mode.
Go on and mind you do some run and drop. Roger, go on and stop run up and down.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yeah, I'm gonna come in before me. If I make them come in before me, I'm afraid I bullfrog too. Alright, so yeah. I'm here. You can go and chat. You can go and chat. But wait. This a man that just come take off slippers and push slippers in a bag. Take them out. Yeah, but take them out. I just wear them come off our road. Put them on ground around here, so. When you're ready for go again, I put them back in a bag. Now if you put them in a bag, no, them dirty, Papa. What cry your side? I don't see nothing to your side. What bad call upon it? Jesus. Me I go set on the cake for make. As a matter of fact, when they are road they eat, so you not hungry, right?
No.
I'm going to show you what I buy. I buy one box milk.
I'm gonna bring that towel.
For Leisha, so for Jen, for Roger.
Yo.
Roger. What's a free rod? Leisha. These are mine. Orange juice to Sia. Sia eat. Sia alright. She said she don't want no more chips because she already eat chips on the road, so we must not buy any more chips. So a dirty clothes basket in our bathroom. So me I go give them toothbrush, rag and everything now. Make them go bathroom and go bed, and me I go give them some tea and then go at them bed.
Get my money in the bag. Look on the bed. I'm doing good. I got the coffee. I'm gonna get them bags if I mess up.
Jesus!
I need to want to.
Me can't banana. Yeah, I know I said me turn on the shower. Me tell Roger if you turn on the shower.
Me think I tap one.
Roger lift up your leaving.
Me think I tap one.
Roger run gone.
Me think I tap one.
I tap one, water if it come through.
No.
See it there. You make water come through tap one. This is one that in the pan it don't want so.
Now what if I come to that one?
No lane without a tunnel. You want to know how Roger bomb up the bathroom. I say, Lord have mercy. Me can't manage that they sent they were in there. Right now, see Alicia the bed. And me a fresh up back in her bathroom. Me say, my lord, me a tell a star. Them pick they are not easy, you know. At bedtime they eat too much and sit there. Stoppage and box milk. They say, no, me I go do. Then me I go in our fridge. Then me I go in our fridge. Me now make them more than me and drink them here tonight. Them here they go in our fridge. Drink them here plus tea and crackers. No, them here they go in straight in the fridge and the little snacks them buy in the bin with what we in there. Them alright.